good morning. I look at that, and maybe you have been in the position, but when you look at yourself in the mirror and you're doing this every time you look at yourself, you know it's time for a change. I inherited a lot of wonderful things from my parents, but I also inherited wrinkles from my mom and jowls from my dad. And the jowls, I think, what bothered me the most at the time. So a little over a year ago in the fall, we came to one of Dr. Dressen's seminars, and at that seminar, I was so comfortable and so impressed with everything about it that I proceeded to make an appointment for a consultation at the seminar. Went to the consultation, and again, the confidence level that I felt, I didn't feel like I needed to interview other surgeons. I was ready to make a commitment. So I had the facelift and neck and brow and fat injections. And since I was of that age where things were starting to lose volume and go south, I also had breast augmentation all at the same time. And initially, I mean, that's probably a lot to do in one procedure, but I thought I wanted to be efficient about this. I mean, that's one recovery time, and I'm glad I did it that way, because the first few days are kind of rough, but and you definitely do need a good caretaker initially. But within 7 or 8 days, I felt like I could go to the grocery store, and after a couple of weeks with a little makeup, I'm kind of a bruiser, so that was my biggest problem. But we went out to dinner 2 weeks later, and 5 weeks later went back to Iowa for Christmas, and some people, of course I told my family, but other people we saw never really even noticed anything. I think one of the nicest things I'm happy about is I don't feel like I'm done. I think I just look more natural. I don't look as sad or angry as I used to look. But again, I know I'm repeating things that other people have said this morning, but the staff is amazing, walking you through everything, and their care and true concern of you as a person. I do think the doctor is amazing also. I look at him, and I've heard it this morning already, it's like he's an artist at what he does. I'm 14 months now since I had my surgery, and I have absolutely no regrets. I feel better. I'm very happy with the results. I've recommended the doctor to many friends, and one friend has already had work done. I find it amazing every time I go to my hairdresser, and of course she knows. She always tells me that I have the best facelift that she has ever seen. And I'm thinking, your hairdresser gets up close and personal with a lot of people. And so she has the doctor's name and a website in her phone, so that as other clients talk about this kind of thing, she can recommend Dr. Dressen. So I wholeheartedly recommend to you, if you're considering it, it's a wonderful thing. Thank you.
Danke.